Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some naked chicken wings, and I'm going to use exactly what I used the last time I made them delicious naked wings. I used the Perfect Pinch rotisserie chicken seasoning by McCormick and my jollof rice seasoning by Badia. I got this from Amazon. Now you can buy this anywhere. Okay, of course I'm going to add some black pepper, and I always put my mustard. And I'll be using my Crux GG Tri-Zone air fryer. So I'll plug it in. Okay. I've already washed my chicken and cut off the tips, and these are the tiniest wings I've ever seen. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see me season my wings. Y'all see that? Yeah. Start with my mustard. Just regular hot dog mustard. Okay, your chicken will not taste like mustard. I season my steak with mustard, my fish, pork chops, ribs. It helps to tenderize because it has vinegar in it. It has turmeric in it, which is good for you. And it just helps the seasoning stick better. Okay, I'm using this rotisserie chicken seasoning, but you can use the seasoning of your choice. Like I said, these are going to be naked wings. Using my jollof rice seasoning. I put this in everything. And I have yet to make jollof rice. These two seasonings together are delicious. My second oldest daughter, Melanie, she bought her these two seasonings to use on her chicken. She said her kids been asking for more of that chicken. This pepper. What else? I'm not putting salt in it because these two things got salt in it. Putting on my glove. Need a rubber band. Okay, that's how it looks. I may put even more after I smush it around to evenly season each piece. I know I'm not going to fix all this chicken today. And I don't have to use oil since the wings are naked, because the skin makes its own oil. So I'll be back when I get through doing this. Okay, wings are well seasoned. See that? So now I'm going to put them in this air fryer. I'm going to use both sides. This is how it looks inside. Forgot I'm not supposed to lift nothing heavier than 5 pounds. And I've been doing fine since I had my surgery. My head been hurting. got some Glory cabbage. Y'all heard of the Glory greens? Well, they make Glory cabbage also. So I'll be trying this for the first time. I saw somebody else on YouTube too. They hauled the Glory cabbage. So I said, I'm going to try that. It's much less work than buying cabbage and cutting it up and washing it and stuff. Plus, I don't always have cabbage on hand, but I always got some kind of canned goods on hand. These wings are so tiny, you have to eat about 20 of them to know you had something. Not for real. Okay, this looks like enough wings for us. I got this for another time. Okay. Like I said, I'm not going to put oil on these wings. This is what they look like before they go into the air fryer. Pull this out. Air fryer sitting on a glide mat. It makes it easy to slide the air fryer back and forth away from the wall. The air fryer ain't supposed to be jammed up against the wall when it's on. It has to circulate. Okay, turn it on. Dual mode, left side air fry, 400 degrees for, I guess 20 minutes is fine. Right side, because these wings are tiny. Air fry, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I turn it on. Start. So I will be back. Let's go over here and see what this cabbage is doing. Okay. This is what I use. Seasoned Southern Style Country Cabbage by Glory. Okay? Yes, I don't mind eating out of cans. So keep y'all's mean comments. If I just cut up some potatoes, because I always have potatoes in my cabbage. I boiled them, had some oil in the water and some salt and pepper. Because I didn't want to cook the potatoes in the cabbage, since the cabbage is from the can is already done basically. I hope it tastes good. Let me taste this. Tastes like cabbage. I'm gonna drain this water. I ain't supposed to be lifting. I'll be back. Not hot. No. My potatoes. I seasoned the potatoes. I didn't season the cabbage. Well, I'll just let the potatoes stay on top. Since they're done, let me turn this on. Let me get a little spoon. I'll be back. Okay, this is how my cabbage looks. It smells just like cabbage. Cabbage, potatoes. I put about a half a teaspoon of the Knorr chicken bouillon. It's hot. I'm gonna turn this off. Oh, did I get a thumbnail? Of course, real cabbage, you don't cut it up this small, and it's a little more al dente, but still tastes the same. So this chicken is doing at 5 minutes. Coming along nicely. Got my bread in the plate for my chicken because I don't want my chicken getting cabbage juice on it. So I'll be back when I dish up my plate. And I don't plan on turning these wings over. Okay, on my chicken wings, I think before when I made these wings, I used some smoked paprika. And I forgot this time, but they're still gonna be good. I would be making some. Somebody requested me to make some, I don't know if they said hoe cakes or hot water cornbread. That's what I need right now. Some hot water cornbread. My mother used to make it a lot, so I know how to make it. I'm just tired. I don't feel like it right now. But I will be making some in the future. I don't feel like making regular cornbread either. Jiffy mix. But hot water cornbread is made with cornmeal and boiling water, and you fry it. And some either bacon grease or just grease. Like a pancake. Okay. I'm kind of tired, and my head ain't hurting right now, but it's been hurting, and I never get headaches. So I told Amber, she said maybe a sign of a blood clot or something. So I'll talk to my doctor tomorrow, because they're gone now. It's almost 6 o'clock. So wait for the chicken wings to get done, and then I'll show you my dished up plate. Bowl. Okay, here's the finished dish. Here's my crispy naked wings. Here's my steaming hot cabbage and potatoes. And okay, I just dished up my bowl. You have to get 100 of these wings to know you had one wing, because they're the tiniest wings known to man. Look at these. Look at that little thing. I'm going to eat some of this cabbage. This is 3 cans I put in the pot. I will be buying some more. It's good, y'all. Potato. It's good. It's good. It's good. Good. I'm gonna try to do some with this little wing. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this Tweety bird. It's crispy. I almost hate eating this little thing. Somebody's baby. A little bitty out. Look at it. Look at this drumette. Naked wings can be crispy. I'm going to enjoy my dinner, y'all. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. 6:09 p.m. here. First time eating today because I've been laying down. I'm tired. I didn't get up and get my shower until about 2:30. Okay. Bon appetit. Let me eat while my food is still steaming hot. Y'all be blessed. Bye.